Today I will share with you how to make this virtual tour video in the Insta360 app. This is a really cool way to share a virtual tour with your audience without them having to click through the tour. A virtual tour video is really easy to share on social media. It will save you plenty of time editing because you can edit this video on your phone anywhere on the go, and you don't need to spend money on expensive monthly subscriptions on virtual tour software. So let me show you how to make this video. To take the virtual tour photos, I used the Best 360 Monopod Aluminium Edition 360 camera stand. I use it because the selfie stick is invisible in the final 360 photo, and the tripod legs are super long and thin, so it has a very small footprint at the bottom of the 360 photo. So check out the link in the video description. To take the photos, I am using 360 photo mode. In the settings, HDR photo is set to AEB, number of photos is set to 7, exposure step is set to the maximum, plus minus 1.3, format is set to pure shot plus raw, resolution is set to 72 megapixels, but if you do want smaller file sizes, then you can shoot in 18 megapixels as well. In the exposure settings, portrait mode is off and the white balance is set to auto. Now, because this is a video for social media, I don't want the video to be too long, otherwise people will get bored. So I want to take the minimum amount of photos required to cover the entire room. So when you're taking the photos, just make sure you can connect the photos from photo A to photo B to photo C until you cover the entire room, and then you are ready to edit the photos in the Insta360 app. To edit the video, I will go to the Album tab in the Insta360 app. I have already downloaded these images to my phone. So next, I am going to tap Multi-Select, select the images in my virtual tour, tap Edit, and create a video. This will put all 4 images into a timeline. So let's go through the structure of the video. In the first shot, it will start off looking forward, and then it will cross over into the next shot looking forward. Then there will be a left turn going into the bathroom, and then in the bathroom there will be a 360-degree turn, then look back at the door. Then we need to face this wall when we come out of the bathroom, and this is going to be the same photo as the previous one before the bathroom. So what we need to do is copy this photo and drag this photo by holding it down with your finger and placing it after the bathroom, so we can return to this photo looking at the wall. Then do a left turn to look at the rest of the room and move forward to the final photo, doing a 360-degree turn, and end the video here. For the first photo, at the beginning of the timeline, I will put the path in the middle, add a keyframe, and change the zoom to linear to remove fisheye distortion, and I'll reduce the duration of this photo to 2 seconds. Then in the next photo, I will move forward 1 second, look at the path, add a keyframe, change the zoom to linear. I will adjust the view so it's straight and update the keyframe. Then I'll move forward 1 second, turn left to look inside the bathroom, add a keyframe. When we step into the bathroom, we see the bathtub. So in the bathroom photo, I'll move forward 1 second, look towards the bathtub, add a keyframe. I will leave the zoom at mega view and not use linear. Because it's a small bathroom, I will use Mega View to show more of the bathroom. And I'm going to extend this photo to 9 seconds. So to do this, I will zoom out the timeline slightly and make this photo longer until it's 9 seconds. Then I will zoom in the timeline to be more precise when editing. From this keyframe, I will move forward 3 seconds in the timeline. Right now, I'm at the 6th second, so 6 plus 3 equals 9. So I will go to the 9th second, spin 180 degrees, add a keyframe, and I'm just going to check this is spinning clockwise. Right now it's spinning anti-clockwise. So to solve this, I will slightly drag towards the left hand side and update the keyframe. Then I will check again, and now it's spinning clockwise. From here I will move forward another 3 seconds, so 9 plus 3 equals 12. At the 12th second, I will spin 180 degrees, add a keyframe. In the next second, I will look back towards the door, add a keyframe. When we walk through the door, we see this wall. So in the next photo, I'll move forward 1 second, look towards the wall, add a keyframe, choose the linear zoom, move forward 1 second, turn left, put the path in the middle, add a keyframe, move forward to the next photo, and I'm going to make this photo 8 seconds long. So to do this, I will zoom out the timeline and drag this photo until it's 8 seconds. Then I will zoom in the timeline to be more precise when editing. In the first second, I will put the path in the middle, add a keyframe, and choose the linear zoom, and I will readjust the view until it looks right and update the keyframe. From this keyframe, I will move forward 3 seconds in the timeline. So 18 plus 3 is 21. So I'll move forward to 21 seconds, spin 180 degrees, add a keyframe. I will double check it spins clockwise, which it is. Then from here, I will move forward 3 seconds. So 21 plus 3 is 24. Spin 180 degrees. Add a keyframe. Double check it spins clockwise. And then I'll leave the last second as it is. Then go back. The last step is to add transitions. To do this, tap the first box in between the photos. This will open transitions, and to create the effect, when you double click from one photo to another, I will add the zoom cut, tap apply to all, tap the tick to confirm. And now when I play this back, you have a virtual tour video. To export this video, go to Export, Custom Settings, select the highest resolution, the highest bitrate, and tap Export to phone. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and I will see you in the next video.